Hi there, my name is Gennaro Migliaccio. I'm one of the cloud security architects at Bytes Software Services, and I'm really excited because this year, myself and my colleague Stephen Crow will be presenting at Infosec. We'll be presenting on the second day at Infosec at 12:30, which is the 4th. And what we'll be covering is Microsoft Sentinel and how to really get the most value out of Microsoft Sentinel. Of course, for those of you that are aware, Microsoft Sentinel is an absolutely fantastic seam and source solution, but with that comes a lot of know-how required to actually make use out of the solution. Because of that, Stephen and myself will be hosting a workshop to go through how you can leverage a lot of the benefits and features of Sentinel, but also looking at some of the managed services that we've seen out there in the market and how this can help you achieve the response capability required. So I really hope that you do join us on the 4th. If you do have any questions at all, please reach out to marketing@bytes.co.uk. We're happy to answer any questions. And as I said, really look forward to seeing you there on the 4th.
Also, across all 3 days of Infosec, we'll be hosting a stand in the main arena. Come find us on stand D130, where you can network with our large team of security experts, discuss your cybersecurity challenges, and generally just get a feel for how Bytes can add value to your strategy. We'll also be hosting in-person, on-stand, intimate seminars throughout the day that we'll be discussing the latest threat intelligence and the value around managed security services. And last but not least, we'll be hosting demo pods throughout the whole day. We'll be showcasing the latest Microsoft security technology. Come find us, and I'm sure you have a great day.
We're so excited to bring back the Bytes Infosec Networking Lounge for 2025. We'll be hosting the Networking Lounge on Tuesday the 3rd of June between 12 and 6 p.m. The Infosec Networking Lounge will be hosted at the Aloft Hotel, a short 2-minute walk from all the expert action. Come in, relax and unwind, and indulge in a selection of summertime dishes, a complimentary bar, and soak up the sunshine within the Brewdog Terrace. Your dedicated account managers will be on hand to answer all your cybersecurity questions and introduce you to our superstar team of cybersecurity experts. To request access to the lounge, please click the link in the description box below.